If you want to link Outlook to N8n, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want to automate emails, manage inbox tasks, or connect Outlook with the rest of your N8n workflows. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want Microsoft Outlook to be used, so make sure you are in the correct project before you continue. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel on the side. In the Nodes panel, search for Microsoft Outlook and select it. This adds the Outlook integration node to your workflow. After that, you need to choose the action you want. Depending on your automation, this could be sending an email, reading messages, or performing another Outlook-related task. Pick the action that matches what you want your workflow to do. Once the action is selected, look for the Connect option and click Connect to Microsoft Outlook. N8n will then begin the authorization process so your Outlook account can be linked securely. Follow the prompts and sign in with the Microsoft account you want to connect. After the connection is completed, your Outlook node will be ready to use inside the workflow. From there, you can continue building out the rest of your automation and test it to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it, you've now linked Outlook to N8n. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple automation tutorials.